This presentation will show you TimeSheet Reporter on your smartphone. To use TSR via your smartphone, open the browser on your phone and go to the same address that you normally access TSR Web Admin with. You can, of course, save this URL to your favorites so that you have easy access to it. Log in with your user credentials. From the Web Interface menu, choose Timesheet Management, and then list timesheets. The first you will see here is a list of your current time entries. To create a new time entry, simply click on Create New. The time entries that you create with your smartphone will also be updated in your calendar after the next synchronization. Choose the kind of report that you would like. Choose the search criteria that you would like. For example, approved hours for a specific organization from a certain date. Click View. You then get an overview of your time entries based on your search criteria. Users that are assigned as approvers on one or more projects can easily get an overview of the time entries that they need to approve by clicking on Supervisor and then Approval in the web-based administration module. That's it.